Hello YouTube, this is Rabi, and on this video I want to show you how to implement user login and registration. And of course I want to show you the most common mistakes that beginners make. And so the steps are some things like that. First of all, of course we will install JWT, and after that we will create the auth service, auth controller, and prepare the user model. And on the services and logic, we will create the most useful functions like me, like logout, login, and like registration, but not verify function, since it's the next video topic. So we will speak about it and write codes about it on the next video. And this is our job today. So let's go by installing it. Don't be shy to use this kind of documentation. Okay, nobody can remember this, for example this line, okay, for example this bit. So it's not a big deal to using docs, using ChatGPT. Those are made for us, for developers to use and to help us, and that's it. Let's go to the app providers. No, not this one. Seek and providers, and that's it. And after that, installation successfully, vendor publish, and after that, secrets. Okay, what is the secret? Look at this. What? This will, yes. Okay, look at this. This kind of app key or JWT secret used to encrypt and bicrypt the data. Okay, so we have a formula, we have a app key or JWT secret. Okay, and with that specific key, okay, that is especially for your website. Okay, it's different on each website to make it more secure. Okay. With this secret and key, the Laravel will encrypt and bicrypt the data. So let's go, and that's it. The first part is gone, and main part, auth service.php. So here you have to put PHP name, namespace with app services, and class name house service, public function. Now the most important functions of this is login and with kind of data. Alright, and come on, with data and public function register with some data. That's it. Public function me, and public function logout, public function refresh for refresh the token whenever the token expired, and the last one is verify. Okay, right now we don't want to work on verify because it's the next video topic, and that's it. So let's create the controllers. Name house controller, and let's prepare the model, user model. It's notifiable right now, implements a JWT subject, but it needs two functions, which is we copy and paste from here. Okay, these are two required functions to let the JWT works, and that's it. After that, on the auth controller, you have to put this repository service, so our service, and yes, but not like this injection, new house service. That's it. No need this one. After that, we have to say public function login with some specific request files. Okay, request login request. Always remember, keep your pattern and follow your pattern. Okay, for example, look at this login request. Okay, aus service. Okay, aus controller, to make it clean as possible. So let's create the next the next request file, and that's it. Login request, login request as a request, and let's put the register here. Function register is here as request, and that's it. We need try and catch. We have to say this as base controller to use base controller response. Oh, we should create a new function to response with token. Okay, so we have two kind of response over here with simple HTTP response, and one is with token, and that is something like this response JSON, of course, no header, and after that, of course, with 200, and after that we need something named token itself, and token type. It's bearer. JWT is bearer for token type, and here is token expired in auth factory get TTL. That's what is TTL. TTL is one of the most important settings on JWT. It shows us how long this token will expire, and we'll send it to the API to use it in front-end tools. Okay, so that's it, and let's go and implement the registration part. So right now we can say return this response with kind of this error. Okay, I don't want to pass it with this one, okay, because it will show all of my files, all of my code lines, and etc. So let's go with we have an internal problem. Okay, so there it is, and then you wanna register. You have to say yes, that's it. Return response user corrected with 201 status. Okay, and here we want to register. We have to say we don't want to verify the user. Okay, so it's very simple. Just create the user model. Okay, so it's not so we don't have to scare off. Oh, what about if the user have the inputted email address is not unique, because we here have to check it. Okay, so let's go with it and create service. It's logic part, and for that we have $user equals to user create not this. You have email address, with data email. Okay, and that's it. Here is password. Here is name. And let's go. And return the user created model. No need to use JWT. I told you we have to use JWT over here when user verified himself, and that's it. Okay, it's true, I think. And after that, you have to say when user wanna log in, if dollar token. We check if the user login will go wrong. We will show him true, and for example, which you're not eligible to. Okay, so let's say WT house attempt with data email and password. I think it will automatically understand to use, and that's it. If it was false, if it goes wrong, show them 401. It means you're not authorized for that. Okay, and if not, you have to say return the token, right? Return the token, right? So that's it. And whenever you return the token over here, you get it from there, okay, and after that return it as a response, but response with token, and token is, oh, it's register, sorry, it's response, and that's right. So here, try and catch, return this response with yep, and to describe you have to say yep, login token, and that's it. All right. This controller, okay. This code shows sometimes wrong alerts. So let's go register, login. I think no need to do some things on service. Okay, out service. You know, for example, these are not really required to put it on there. There is here we say we need email for register, that is required. It should be in email constructor, and it should be unique in user table and email column. Let's go with password. We need password. It's string. It should not be unique. Don't do that. And yes, min 6. At the minimum 6 digits. Okay, and name is something like that, but keep it as 3, for example. Okay, for example, Ali is 3 character, and notice. So I think registration to register to, and that's it. You know why? Because when you want to work with this one, you have to use get and you have to use login. Okay, we'll test it later. So let's go with register. Okay, only this one, only this one. Then you want to register, email, worddesign.com, email, password is something like that. But I think we forgot something. Also wise. Okay, this those part which seems and noobs coders create mistake. Okay, we use, for example, encrypt. Okay, encrypt for encrypting the password. Okay, but it's not true, because when you use encrypt, it's reversible. Okay, and you can reverse it with your key. Okay, but it's not true as a privacy policies. It's not true. So what you should use, you should use hash make wiki. Okay, and that's it. And the next part is that. So let's test it out. The name field is required, so the errors work smoothly, and we have an internal problem. Name, password, email. Okay, what is the problem, do you think? Authorize, register, user create, email, password, name, data password, and email. Here we pass it the data. Register. Let's say request. And it works. I'm going to validate it like this, because whenever you put, for example, another time with this email, it shows you this email is taken and no need this one. So all things working smooth. And so here too, and request. All right, and let's log in with that. Oh no, log in with that, and the internal problem here. So where is the fucking problem over there? Login, email, password, required, string, return this one, login, token as atom, return the token, and that's it. House atom is data, email, and of course password. So where is the problem? Email and password. Let's check it from here. Let's take a look at the error, get the message. Attempt, argument, credential must be type of array. Okay, so the problem is there. I don't think so. Column, SQL column found unknown, column 0. What? Let's check it with auth attempt. I think it's better. Auth attempt with credential data. What? Eliminate auth session guard attempt must be type of array. Why was that? Am I forgot something? Or am I too old? Come on, I'm too old. Let's see the code. Let's say email and the password. Let's check it out. Our session guard factory does not exist. Why was that? So this code was right. Let's see here. Use choose something like that. Oh, should not be problem. Does not exist. We publish the vendor publish. Yes, we use it. I don't know. Already exists. We add this provider. Let's clear some cache. Artisan cache clear. PHP artisan config clear, and let's test it out again. Factory does not exist. Why was that? I should add any using? Yes, of course. I have to add some using. Quick start. Okay, so here on factory, I have to add this kind of using, and check it out. Now the problem is not. Let's check the document again. Solution. We did this, and quick start. We did this. Oh, I think we forgot this. House config. Yes, for guards for API and JWT, and as a default, say it's on JWT for user, and no, the default guard is API, and that's it. I think problem is there. Okay, as controller, don't show the fully message, so there is, and nothing else. Okay, let's say me and the get method and authenticate. Okay, login. I forgot some things. Okay, let's put it on the header. On auth, we can use it on auth. Okay, but I want to show you how Beater works. So authorization, right? I hope to write it right. So don't forget to put Beater. Okay, Beater and the extra token. Authorization, and let's check it out. Yep, this is me, and after that, whenever you wanna log out, refresh. Yes, let's check the refresh, and this will works. And you can't, again with the pre-token, you can't connect to the server. Okay, you have to with the refresh one. With the new one, so refresh is not working too even. So let's log in again. So we have the new token, and there is put it on header. Shit. Okay, and you can now get the me, and you can right now log out. Log out, and operation was successfully, and you are not able to use me route. And that's it for now. Okay, so the video is finished. Now if you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and even if you want to start coding, I love to work with you. I love to receive comments from you, so these are some motivations for me, and that's it. Thanks for your watching. I'll see you in the next videos. Let's go.